Picture a world where buildings rise from the ground, molecule by molecule, and your body repairs itself from within, all thanks to self-assembling nanobots. By the 22nd century, nanotechnology is expected to revolutionize construction and healthcare in unprecedented ways. These microscopic robots, smaller than a single cell, can autonomously organize themselves, forming complex structures with incredible precision and speed. In construction, vast fleets of nanobots could transform raw materials directly into skyscrapers without the need for cranes or scaffolding, drastically reducing waste, energy consumption, and construction time, while enabling architectural feats never before possible. In healthcare, nanobots could enter the human body to repair damaged tissues, destroy cancer cells, or even reverse aging processes at the cellular level. Their ability to target problems with molecular accuracy means traditional surgeries could become obsolete, replaced by minimally invasive nanobot interventions that heal from within. As these nanobots learn, adapt, and self-replicate, they promise a future where maintenance of both our infrastructure and our bodies is continuous, automatic, and nearly invisible, fundamentally transforming how we build and heal.